In this video, we will see how to use slicer, how to insert slicer in table. Okay, for you get faster filter and easiest to filter your data. Let's start. This is my session. I want to use this table slicer for filtering. Just select the any cell. You can see here the tab. The tab is added table design. When you use the table, then this tab is automatically insert in your Excel. Just click on that. You can see here the tools in insert slicer. Just click on that. Here you can filter any item. I want to filter on location. Just select it, click on OK. Now you just select the location center. You can see here the filter is automatically done with faster way on one click. It's really fast. It's really fast. Please try this slicer filter. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more video.